How to share phone screen and control it. First, install the AnyDesk app on the Android phone you want to control it. Then, install AnyDesk on the second phone or computer that you'll use to control it. Open AnyDesk on the phone you want to share and note down the AnyDesk address shown on the screen. Next, open AnyDesk on your other device and enter that address in the Remote Address field. Tap Accept. On the phone you're sharing, accept the connection request and allow the required screen sharing and accessibility permissions. Once the connection is established, you can see the phone screen remotely. If the device and Android version support remote input, you can also control the phone remotely using your other device. Keep in mind that remote control capabilities can vary depending on the Android version, phone manufacturer, and required permissions. When you're finished, simply disconnect the session to stop screen sharing. That's it. You've learned how to share your Android screen and control it remotely. If this tutorial helped, hit like and subscribe for more Android tips, remote control tutorials, and useful tech guides.